Now it's time to talk about Leos. Leos are sun signs. They're ruled by the sun, and so they're very fiery. Sun, fire, they're a fire sign. It's a masculine energy. It's a fixed sign, so they're very leading, they're very assertive. Color is gold, and the zodiac birthstone is peridot. I do have some peridot on the table today for you. They're very regal. They're the lion. Leo the lion. They're creators. They're noble, generous, dramatic. They demand attention. They love to be the center of attention. They're extroverts. They have warm, generous hearts. They are leaders, social butterflies. They're very proud. They are ambitious, and they do have a shadow side. Every sign has a shadow side, which just means, a little bit of a negative energy, but it's really important to know that so you can work with that energy. So they can tend to be bossy, a little arrogant, egotistical. It's an intense energy, so they can sometimes clash with others. They can sometimes feel deeply insecure because they really strive for a higher ideal. So I just want to also say too that when a sign is in a particular astrological sign, we all feel that energy, not just the person whose birthday it is, but we all feel that energy. So all the crystals that I'm going to talk about today, they're all for this time of year. So they'll all be helpful for everyone. I will be going through the crystals that are going to help to balance out the negative energies of Leos, and also the crystals to help energize and bring up that wonderful, good energy of Leos. Let's get into it. Let's check out the table. And again, if you're joining us, please do say hello and let us know if you are a Leo sun sign. I've got some different jewelry, lots of garnet jewelry today. A lot of beautiful garnet, in fact. And then here's the amber I'm going to be showing you. And then we have kunzite, sunstone, peridot, of course, labradorite, ruby, and pyrite items. This goes through all the basic crystals that we recommend for all the signs. We have one for each sign. They do come with a envelope too. So I always like to say I use these as birthday gifts sometimes. There's a little bit of space to write on them, but the idea is to gift somebody more information about their sign. So in the past, I've written a little message here and then written a little message up here. But anywho, we're going to be going through quite a few of these stones today, not every single one. But we do have a lot of them on the table today. And then of course we have our Leo set. This is our special astrological set that is specifically for Leos. And let's just go through this real quick. Comes in this lovely box with the beautiful artwork. So here is the card, and it goes through all the different stones. So here's what's in the set. You get a petersite. So that's this one right down here. This one up here, this beautiful golden blue stone. This encourages introspection, spiritual maturity, insight, and wisdom. And then you get a pyrite for protection from oneself, manifesting abundance, and positive creativity. Hematite for grounding to prevent overreaching, protection from jealousy. You get selenite for self-control, modesty, selflessness, and calming your out-of-control emotions. A sunstone for positive expression of fire energy, tolerance, and harmony. And finally, a quartz point that's in all the astrological sets. Master Healer, it cleanses and amplifies other crystal energies. So that is your Leo set. Makes a great birthday present for any Leo out there in your life. All right, next up we have peridot, one of the birthstones for Leo. And these are a nice, big, chunky size. These are big for peridot. If you guys, I know, they're chunky and chonky. If you guys are familiar with peridot, you know that it usually kind of comes in these tiny, itty bitty little sizes. They're really hard to get in these bigger sizes. This is about as big of a tumbled stone as you are ever going to find. On our Leo card, talks about peridot, helping to envision destiny and spiritual path to achieve goals and healing. There you have it. It's definitely a happy stone, and it's definitely a heart chakra stone too, for helping you heal the heart